Okay, buterevu umurebe wa Kera Media News Center webera kubona ugeno mu miso not following kutugwita gwa YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok ntubaturoho kandi zukantu baturina na www.kera-media-news-center.wordpress nono tufuna kurunje munonga onakurera izoba turahanu na no muntu wo mutano kandi ona wasukwana imbaretera na kuba naje no miso nurikana yanjura amazina ge atugambire na nintande wasukwana turetero nakurera izoba bit kandi utakayebwa kugira ntikandi twineba kupex ne bakuteka ono bakumanyisa ntibine kamera ezo mutindo no baprintinga no ndakwesimbaho and baprintinga za passport ne bakwegese ibintu ya computer ne basangwa muri mbara hagati High Street kandi kukika Street Zebra Crossing kwata ekikubo obasukwana bareba noza kwa norewe cyapa cyango cyane kiro Kupex kandi zukangu Kera Media Suits Kera Media Suits ansangwa alliance kandi zukangu tugeno misoka tukumesa nti abikwatagena nembaga uyu no mukoro gwawe oni birthday party oni buri kimwe cyona into streaming live kandi tubatera n'ebisone tukwatane mukoro na mabaga nkebyona no mukoro gwa bagore live basukwana tuikira tugeno miso no kureka nkakiri tubasa kuba tukorota umukoro gwawe tugushemeza kandi gwasukwana kugeno miso no kureka nkakiri wasukwana manya ikikutambara kunje munonga reka tuakira umukuru atoyanzu kandi zukangutura hano ya campus no turi BSU nono kimakuru nje munonga ngo tuba twahiko mu campus yo mutano twakwakira mukamwanje
ninyi nakira sewo God Kanyes Jikalvin Kafurumuka student at Bishop Stuart University doing bachelor's degree in agricultural science and community development. I'm the son of late Godfrey Byarhanga, grandson of late Canon Yoweri Kafurumuka. I'm from Kazo district. At the same time, I'm serving as the current third president of Kiruhura Kazo Mbara Inter-University Students Association by God's grace.
Obo abantu hura mamazana ga Canon ogonari umunyadini ikirutoka hasa kubano kigambaho ikindi cya kabiri ari yakose kandi mu center his excellence president Museveni yakusupportinga munonga wa science kwa katwa kubantu jeno misoka ntandukiraho tuno mazu tugambire ko kwagera nti origired president kandi wakirura Kazo University president okay no president agit no gitebe nabingwe
first of all, I'm delighted to have you, sir. This association, ekatandikaho some couple of years ago. That was 2023. Ekibineeki kyemerera ebintu kabibiri. One, unity of students, and this association is the umbrella of the internal associations in this Mbara city. That is Bishop Stuart. There is of Kazo and Kiruhura internal, MUST, MYU, Ankole Western University, MUBS, Mbara branch, and St. Joseph's. So university association age na ibembereza association zona kandi ninye ndukuzebembera umuriebyo twemerera kwatanisa ka association twine bingi ebituru gukora kabana abari mu association age kake kina kubasagamba ari association age ekatandikaho umahugu nabagambera. That was 2023 kandi nyowe ngiro muntu y'umwaka ogu. That was April 6th umwaka ogu. So ndukunda kuteka kuna kubasa kushobora ka association age. It was formed by our beloved patron, that is Dr. Judah Rugumaho, and other students leaders. We need to change it. Kandi ninyi president wa Kashatu association age ekirinsia teka herize bwire burengwa nambwe nezi internal university associations nizikira kunga mbwe niyo bakagiforminga ugaiteza association zona ezo muri Mbara ayo barise
ikigenero cy'amani yesu turanga mukagera mu giti association zone ziri nkaye ziri muri mbara nko cy'amani cyam tugire ngo umuntu challenge mu areberemo umuziri association kugira ngo bagite weje niki
iyo bari bunonga association y'igenderwa cyayo kikakiri cyo bwitezo association zone kuija hamwe to be in one umbrella kuzikweza kuba hamwe ziyamba munonga icyo twagiye ntagamba unity exposure okumanyana yabo kuba when you are a student from Bishop Stewart University and you are coming from Kazo district or Kiruhura, when you meet with other students from other universities from your home district nibo nikikwatsa munonga nikikuyamba oshanga no manya umwana ori must urukorga Kazo basa kumanya umwana ori ankore Western University urukorga Kiruhura through that association. Association ejo in a constitution when a constitution in a mission in a vision na core values, so it is registered na manual in the whole district.
Turango kigenera muri icyo nko kwasukwa no bitugambera turi mu kugenda mu misho na n'umuti yakubera nanda kumanya n'ingase yakubera nanda ko kujegitamu twine muramu aci aro program yitwine ombwiro obuninga
exactly. This Saturday on 20th September we are having annual students summit. The theme is sharpening students' life through university. Kimanyisa ki ngo omuramu gutwemerera mu weekend egi kandi kitweteire abagenyi bakuru na nabana bengi kwija tukamanya okutwakubasa sharpening our future through university life. Habukuba at the university is where you determine your life after campus. Bueno omuramu ogo ngutwije kuba discussing aho omuri ejo ntutarabentu akera the new entrants ninga beji basya association egi through the all universities around Mbara okuna nazigambira Mbara city tuje kuba tya aha Bishop Stewart University kandi tuje kuba ntagamba na challenges nyingi as an association konke cyamani nsako bantumanya okutwakubasa gukora niyo kutwakubasa kumanya ikishemere gukora through university time abo kuba ikicyantu batwine imyaka 2 3 4 so nibyo binte bimwe byagendere kufuta association ejo kandi summit ejo eyemerere aha kigambo icyo kinagambera that theme how to sharpen ninga sharpening students' future through university life.
Tune challenges tukubugana mu kintu nk'abana ba campus sometime itaho kutandika campus mwine nkomu kuyamba ari abo bafarisha ko bayizere kutandikaho aha ninga campus
hati okuna ndi nkushobora association gwetandikire teka hirize wiri burengwa konka ebinte bimwe kandi cyo kwena kujya nti mucyaretere abo association ejo kutera ndantu hamwe tumanya ebitwitseho tumanya challenges we face. That's why association eroho kutera ndumwanya kogo with our leaders and other guests ninga motivation speakers but habura kutusheme kutwaza okutusheme gukora anshonga iyo rugamba anshonga okutwakubasa kuyamba umwana musiro kutandika university one kwari kwegito mu association keji nemkwatsa munonga omukombeka his or her career nemkwatsa munonga how to go through university how kwantu batwine mbingi nshanga activities nyingi emishomo mingi mbwenu omwana yatwegeita ninga yazo mu association zezi cyo kwena umugasho gwazo mazima takabura kuragamo abo kuba ekyamani kina kubasa kugambira ha life ya campus. It is the future or the bright future belongs to the organized. Niyo kuba no major kwenda kukora, because a university, it is a class of mature people. Mbwen tokuza kukabura ko mwana wa secondary konka association zezi nistiyamba munonga.
Muri Bwakera Media News Center student jeno misona na president kandi ebirero natsobora kanti kateke ngono wasoko yamu echo mutano bitu takayebwa umupozo wajanuza ko bibiro bingaye
nebero 20 ku kwezi, that is on Saturday. I call each and everyone kuija kubaho on that function in Enga Summit, and we have good motivation speakers, Enga guests. Omuriabo tuinemo RCC wambara sti, tuinemo flag bearer wa NRM antebe yabakazi mbara city, that is Honorable Kibaru Charity Kamhanda. We have Honorable Jovans Wenduru, woman MP wa Kirwa district, and others. Mbwenu tubeta kugira ngo nicya kazona kihura cyonka, but every student nsako batiri ya Bishop Stuart University mbwenu tubeta mwije mube izobe iryo, and everything is on set. Tutegereza izoba tarukindi
nikaboroki ako kwereza umwana special nkaba ari mu abakiri mu secondary abo kutekateka ku joininga campus ni cyaburi cyo wakosa kwahereza
ayo bari munonga akuna nagambire. The bright future belongs to the organized. Ekikumanyisa how you play your cards through education life. Konka what I would advise abataka twegeitsereho ninga abegeitsera university go mwaka taro kintu kirungi ko kushoma no yongerwaho, kandi abenji twine mentality yo kugira ngo ecyamano kushoma ukahizo kaza kutunga umurimo no ntushoma bwenge, ntushoma kwetegereza, to know how to handle our life after education. Kandi tinkabura umwana ngwa ko mu senior 4 nenga senior 6 no oshome oshikina university. University is a good institution no yega bingi njo kwe nariyo ninkugira ngo nariyo ningambira aha achati nyowe nyombwe no kwetari university ka mbwe okabe no nyai. So university ntuchanga mbingi exposure no yetegereza ibintu binyi munonga kukira wo kuburi mu secondary. Mbwe n'ikintu kavura abana bakiri hansi ekaramba gikwatsa amani.
Webari munonga akandi zikatwa batwene president yasukwana tugambire bigambo yokonka kandi utakaferwa runakoro rwa mukaga tubasukwana twikaho tubasukumanya ibinji ebikusinga waho za kugira nti utakaba kono subscribe ingo se yalinge kandi reke mutwasukwana tugeno miso no kandi kongera ebintu binje munonga nasigara ndrama yuji obusinje.